The binomial expansion, example 4. Find the coefficient of x to the 4 in this expansion here. So, 1 plus x all squared, if we expand that, gives us 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Now let's think about the 2x minus 3 to the power 7. Now we're not going to need all of this. We're only going to need to go up to x to the 4. So, it's no good starting with the 2x to the power 7. So we don't need what's at the start of this. So the term that would give us x to the 4 would be 2x to the power 4. The negative 3 would then be cubed so that the powers add to 7, and our coefficient would be 7c4. Then we're going to have the 7c3, 2x to the power 3, negative 3 to the power 4. Then we'll have 7c2, 2x squared, and that would mean the negative 3 is to the power 5. 7c1, 2x to the power 1, negative 3 to the 6, and finally at this end we'd have the negative 3 to the power 7. So we need to tidy all of that up. So we've got the 1 plus 2x plus x squared here, and then we need to tidy this lot up. So if we look at this first one, with the negative being to the power 3, we're going to have a minus there. And then what else do we need? We have got 7c4, and that would need to be multiplied by 2 to the power 4, and also by 3 cubed. So that's 15,120 x to the 4. Now the next one's going to be a plus because the negative is to an even power. So what we're going to need there is 7c3 multiplied by 2 cubed, which is 8, multiplied by 3 to the power 4. So 22,680. And that would be the x cubed term. And we've got the x squared term next. So we have 7c2 multiplied by 4, and then the 3 is to the power 5. So 3 to the power, we've got 33. 3 to the power 5. And we've done something wrong there, so let's try that again. So we're doing 7c2 multiplying that by 4 and multiplying that by 3 to the power 5. So 2412, and that one of course would be negative. And that's the x squared term. Then we've got this term, the x term. So that is going to be 7c1, which I know is 7, multiplied by 2, 2 to the power 1, and we'll multiply that by 3 to the power 6, 10,206. That one would be a positive. So that's the x term, and then finally we'll have the constant term, the negative 3 to the power 7. So we've got 3 to the power 7, gives us 2187. So now we just need to figure out which one of these, or which ones of these, are going to give us an x to the power 4, because we want the coefficient of x to the 4. So certainly this would give us an x to the 4. So if we just consider the x to the 4 term, we've got negative 15,210 x to the 4. What else would give us an x to the 4? Well, this one would give us an x to the 4. So we're going to have twice 22680 x to the 4. And the other thing that would give us an x to the 4 is that one just there. So take away 20412 x to the 4. So we didn't actually need these two terms, just like we didn't need the ones at the beginning. And spotting that can save you work. So let's see what that gives us. So I think I should bring in the calculator again. So I have negative 15210, add 2 lots of 22,680, take away 20412, gives me 9738. So 9738 x to the 4. So the coefficient of x to the 4 is 9738.